Today we're in the land of ABBA, Stockholm, Sweden. We started our day with a ride through downtown Stockholm and stopped to walk around and shoot some video before we went into Old Town. One-third of the city of Stockholm is reserved for parks and gardens. They have an amazing public transit system here, and nearly everyone rides bicycles. Personally, I love the minimalistic style of architecture here. We spent a few hours walking around Old Town, or Gamla Stan as it's known in Stockholm. It's probably the most visited area in all of Stockholm for tourists, like me of course. Some of the buildings in Gamla Stan date back to the 16th century. Pickled sweetened herring and smoked fish are some traditional Swedish delicacies. And as we're walking through the central part of Old Town, there are some peaceful demonstrations. The Nobel Banquet takes place in Stockholm City Hall every year on December 10th. One thing to keep in mind, though, is common with a lot of European cities, is that you'll need some local currency change if you want to use a public restroom. Stockholm seems very safe for travelers. Nearly everyone speaks English here, and it's very easy to get around town. The Royal Palace was once home to the King of Sweden. It's one of the largest palaces in Europe and has over 600 rooms in several museums. Now we're inside the Vasa Museum, which was built to house the Vasa, a 226-foot-long warship that sank just 20 minutes into its maiden voyage in 1628. Today it's the most visited museum in Scandinavia. So that's all of walking around Stockholm, Sweden with Herb. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe and I'll see you next time. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, please click on the thumbs up and leave a random comment because, well, YouTube algorithms. But it would help me a lot.